Anyways, next step, this little rubber bushing. Right here. Okay, so first of all, we're going to take that bolt. See that little bolt right there? Yep, that bolt right there. That has to come off on both sides. You take one off and loosen the other one up. And, yeah, there it is. And you take both of them loose. And then you just put this in there. Put a little grease on it. But, you can get this out the way. I forgot how this is supposed to get out the way. But I think I'm going to do it without getting that out the way. I think I'm just going to go ahead and put a long extension in it with a swivel and just take those two bolts off, and they probably will come right out. We'll figure it out. I'll take it off and see how I get it out. Let's do this. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I figured an easy way to do it. Turn the steering wheel. This gets right in there. Got a long extension so it gets out the way. And it's a 12 millimeter. You take one side off and loose the other side out. Well, technically, you take both sides off if you want. Let me, hang on one second. How is this bag so thick? Okay, back to it. Now, you see this, you'll be like, oh, well, you got to take the whole steering stem off. Nope, guys, watch this. Voila, opens right up. The first time I put one of these, I said, man, I'm going to take all this junk off. Nope, you just open it up, pop it over. This little flat piece goes on top. And it goes down like that, and voila, that's it. So let me get this thing on. I also put a little grease in here if you have any. It just helps it steer a little better, but you don't have to. I put a little bit of wheel band grease in it because it's a little thicker, and it doesn't do much. I don't think it does anything. It's just some old guy told me to do it one time, and I'm kind of set my ways now. It happens. Anyways, let me loosen it up and put this on. Okay, we got it in there. See that little green bushing? Now, you don't have to go crazy tight, guys. Don't like over tighten everything because that will get like, you could break stuff. Anyways, that's in. The steering wheel no longer wobbles. So, another thing off the list.